Dulo kami nito.
I, having been elected as of the Philippine Military Academy Alumni Association Incorporated, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully perform my duties and responsibilities of my present position, that I will support and uphold the Articles of Incorporation and bylaws of the Association, that I will bear true faith and adherence to the same, that I will abide by its code of ethics, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Sila yung bago na. Doon sa PMA.
Sige.
Yan ang gulo.
Wala.
Mag-office.
Ito sila.
Oo. Mga bagong amo.
Yung bagong upo para doon sa alumni center. O doon na sa bagong office.
Oo, bago na. Hindi na sa company na doon.
Parang tumaba ko sa laksyon. No?
Hmm.